hard work. A very good morning to our esteemed principal, dedicated vice principals, inspired sisters and teachers, hardworking and compassionate non-teaching staff, and bright and enthusiastic students.
Today, we, the students of Class 7D, is here with a theme from soil to soul, honoring every grain, wasting none. As we begin this assembly, let us take a moment to center ourselves and embrace the power of prayer. With that, I warmly welcome our school choir group to lead us in the sacred moment.
Make me a shadow of your peace. Where there is nature, let me bring your love.
A reading from the book of Psalm, chapter 104, verses 27 to 28. All creatures look to you to give them their food at due season. When you give to them, they gather it up. When you open your hands, they are satisfied with good things. This is the word of the Lord.
A meaningful thought encourages us to reflect and grow. Now I invite Neerja to share the thought with us.
The final act of gratitude for every grain is to not waste a single one. I repeat, the final act of gratitude for every grain is to not waste a single one. It's a call to appreciate the incredible journey of something we often take for granted, the food on our plates. Every single grain is a testament to the effort of countless people, from the farmer to the hauler to the baker, and to the nurturing power of the sun and soil.
And in honoring this journey, a great responsibility is revealed. The responsibility not to waste. When we waste food, we are not just throwing something away. We are disrespecting the hard work, the time, and the resources that brought it to us. Honoring every grain means cherishing it, consuming it with gratitude, and never letting it go to waste. Through the silent art of mind, we will unfold the message.
our plates overflow. Thousands of people sleep hungry every night. Every grain we waste is a life-sustaining opportunity lost. Let's remember the long journey from soil to soul and choose a world where no one is left behind. In giving thanks for our food, we show gratitude. In not wasting our food, we show respect. Thank you.
I am Shweta to address the assembly.
Throwing away food is life, stealing from the table of those who are poor and hungry. Respected principal, vice principals, brothers, sisters, teachers, non-teaching staff and all my dear students. A very warm good morning to one and all. I would like to congratulate class 7D students and their class teacher Ma'am Nikia for their wonderful assembly presentation on the topic Soil to Soul. Today, I would like to talk about something we often take for granted, the food on our plates. So, we see it as a commodity, something that we buy and consume. But I want us to think differently. The food is not just as a commodity, but as a gift. Our food is a symbol of life that gives us energy, nourishes our body, and it allows us to grow and thrive. So when we share a meal, we are not just eating. We are connecting with each other and with the incredible effort that went into producing that food. So my dear children, next time when you sit down to eat, I urge you to thank and appreciate what is in front of you. It is an incredible gift from the earth, and it is an immense product of hard work. So don't waste your food. Be thankful for the food that is in front of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A delightful morning to one and all. Nowadays, our school students, were participating in inter-school competitions and getting many prizes. And we are very proud to announce that one of our class 10 students, Shreya V, participated Talkmasters Impromptu Competition held at Shobha Icon, Mulangod, and she got many prizes. I invite our respected principal, Father Joby, to appreciate her. Simulation, she got first prize, gold medal and cash award. Second one, reverse engineering, she got first prize, gold medal and cash award. She took the title of Talkmasters High School Champion 2025 and she got trophy and cash award. As a token of love, she got one book also. Congratulations, dear Shreya. And I think today is her birthday. Happy birthday to you, Shreya. And thank you, Father.
Special thanks to the class for their efforts. All the best. At the same time, special congratulations to Shreya. It was a topic that is given on the spot and it has to be prepared, and there were different simulations. Newsroom, on the spot you need to make up the topic and then present it, and she has bagged the overall champion too for that. Good. So that is how you come out, show your excellence, bring out your performance in different areas as you participate in different competitions.
Father, for inspiring and insightful words. A pledge is a commitment, a promise to uphold values and strive for excellence in all that we do. Let me invite Tejas for the pledge and thereafter our school choir for the national anthem.
Attention!
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be at the office. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
जनगण अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब